Hi, we are back. My name's Amanda and this is the Ninja Food Show. Today we're making takoyaki. Tako means octopus and yaki means grilled. And these are a traditional snack from Osaka that have grilled octopus inside. But today, me, Giulia, and Nathan are gonna make our own versions. Our judge Melissa is back this week to help us figure out who's gonna do it best. And this time she's brought Yuma along with her. And they're gonna be judging our takoyaki based on presentation, taste, and originality. So let's see who can do the best takoyaki. Takoyaki is made from a mixture of flour, egg, and dashi broth. The original takoyaki recipe has octopus pieces, tempura flakes, ginger, and green onions inside, which gives it a nice variety of textures. Then, they're grilled for about 10 minutes. On top, you put takoyaki sauce, green seaweed flakes called nori, and smoked bonito tuna flakes. Now that we've seen the traditional style, let's do something a bit more creative. Hey, so we're back in the kitchen. We've got our 3 recipes lined up. Me, Nathan, and Giulia are gonna show the judges what we brought to the table. So let's see what they have to say.
So takoyaki is a really popular Japanese snack, but I actually don't like it that much. So I'm curious to see what they come up with. Maybe I like it better this way. Who knows?
So I grew up eating takoyaki and also making takoyaki, so curious to see how they come up with the traditional style or creative style too. And then also that's our street food too, so I want to see, their own story.
So this is my takoyaki. So I was thinking, who says you can't start off the day with some takoyaki? You usually have it as a little snack, but I thought it would be interesting to start your day off with some takoyaki. So when I was thinking about my recipe one morning while eating breakfast, a wild thought came to me that everything that you eat for like dinner, made in a breakfast style, is always a whole lot better. So I got classic breakfast ingredients. I have some sausage inside of the takoyaki with ketchup. And on top I have scrambled eggs, ketchup, and mayo. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I mean, sausages, ketchup, mayo, eggs, they all go good together, so I'm guessing this is gonna be very nice.
So did you put any octopus?
No octopus.
So it's a
Sausage
yaki. I like the flavor actually. It's pretty surprising. But yeah, it's good.
Alright, thank you.
I'm not really sure how I feel because I generally don't eat ketchup and mayo for breakfast, but I mean, I suppose it could have been worse.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Okay, so my takoyaki is a potato Alfredo takoyaki. So takoyaki is pretty soft, but I've added a bit of a modern twist. So I have that chewy octopus that we're going to focus on as the central element of the takoyaki, but I also added some cheese and potato into it to play around with the textures. So the first ingredient is octopus. I also put some cheese in there. And then I put some grilled potato, so like a little piece of potato. We have a little bit of garlic in there too, and also some green onions. Then on top, I put an Alfredo sauce that I made myself.
Wow.
Yeah, I put a lot of effort into this. And a little more green onions and a lot of parsley on top. Because I know you love parsley.
That's bribing. That's what
I'm learning.
You know what I like?
It's just bribing.
I know you like octopus.
Alright, okay.
So I put octopus in octopus balls.
I like it. I
Yay!
don't hate it.
Oh well, you know, that's somewhere in between.
I don't hate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
Terrible.
It's pretty good, but I don't know. I think for as a takoyaki, the texture is off, but then flavor-wise,
It's like
it's very
too
good.
mushy. Too mushy.
Yeah.
It's like
Okay.
too mushy.
Okay, so I couldn't join for the last video, unfortunately I was sick, but I'm back in the game. And I made my version of takoyaki. So takoyaki is a famous Japanese appetizer, it's a savory thing, and the main ingredient is the octopus. But I want to make my own version, and I want to make a sweet version of the takoyaki. Technically, takoyaki is grilled octopus. We don't have an octopus in here. There's actually pineapple inside. Pineapple is perfect with chocolate. So that's what I'm going to use. It's going to be crunchy and sweet. It's going to be pineapple yaki or something. So inside we have the pineapple and choco chips. And then on top I put some apple jam and then some sugar on top to make it even sweeter. I hope you guys like it. I hope you're dancing for happiness, guys.
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's shockingly not as sweet as I thought it would be.
Okay.
It's like you have like a lot of chocolate and jam and sugar, and I'm not saying it's not sweet, but I have not gotten diabetes yet, so it's not that sweet.
But there's no takoyaki element or factor in this dish.
It's a ball.
It's a ball, like flour dough ball,
It's a ball.
or this one. Okay.
Okay, so we've all shown our takoyaki to the judges. Now it's their turn to let us know who won and who lost. Melissa, you want to go first?
Sure. So thank you all so much for your creativity, I guess. So we didn't agree on a winner, but we agreed on a loser, so I guess that's something. And my personal favorite was Amanda.
Yay!
So no fancy for you this time.
So my winner would be Giulia. Nathan,
Congratulations, Giulia.
Nathan, your dish was good, but then still it didn't really stand out, among three of you guys.
I didn't like it. Sorry.
Wow, straight in the face.
So the judgments are in, and once again, Nathan has to do a punishment, unfortunately for Nathan.
Hey guys, so here we're at karaoke for my Batsu game. So karaoke in Japan is everybody's absolute favorite pastime. A lot of people go here after work or after drinks to blow off some steam that they've been building up over the week. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. And they also let you borrow a nice looking costume like this for free. So if any of you do go, feel free to grab as many costumes as you want. So now, let's get this thing started. I feel you, I touch you, I hold you,夢の中で Want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. There's vomit on his sweater already, mom's spaghetti, he's nervous. But on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting. Can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me why. 一度忘れられない遠い ができたら満足さ Mama, life had just begun But now I've gone and thrown it all away Mama
So that's it for today's episode. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below with who you thought had the best recipe this time.